Number 9. Testing and inspection. Does the supplier perform in-house testing, metallurgical analysis and non-destructive testing? A supplier with stringent quality checks reduces rejection and ensures compliance. Number 10. Customer support and after sales service. Good suppliers don't just sell, they support you. Look for a supplier with responsive communication, technical assistance and long-term customer support. Choosing the right forging supplier can make a huge difference in your production, quality and efficiency. By considering these 10 key factors, you will find a partner who meets your business needs.